All right, junk removal, removing a fridge. This is the way to do it professionally. Not that I'm a professional. All right. I learned how to do this the other day because I've been doing it wrong. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. I'm tired of jumping off of it. I think it's going to affect my knees after a long time.
Definitely.
So I've been walking off of it. Yeah. Oh yeah. This one's a heavy one, so I'm going to take out. What did you do on this one? You put this in there? The little straps? How does that work? Little clips, look.
Mm-hmm. Are we supposed to take those out?
No.
I was like...
The first time I've ever seen it. And I've removed fridges. Honey, have I removed fridges? I remove them all the time. Isn't that crazy? I never seen them. Y'all didn't put them on, right?
No.
That's weird. I guess you go like that and take it off. You know, someone made a lot of money off this.
Just a clip?
Don't you think?
Just to hold it in place?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I'm sure.
So how'd you see me, you saw me online or what? I've been asking people.
Search, free on removal.
And I came up?
You came up.
On free on removal? What the hell? On Google. The Google monster. Hold on, let me get this one. Junk guys, I'm gonna help you today. Yes, sir? Yeah, they did call me, but I didn't take their number. It was a contract. Okay, all I can tell you is that they told me that as soon as you go in, you go to the left. Really? Hold on one second. Maddie, what I'm gonna do, hold on one second. Hold on. Junk guys, how may I help you? No, nothing happened. Yeah. Let me call you back, Maribel. I'm on the other line. Bye. Maddie. I don't think so, Maddie. Let me look it up on the phone really fast, okay? Yeah, that's it. 110. That's all they gave me. Really? Really? Yeah, just start walking into places. Yeah, I'll send you money in a minute, okay? I'll send it to you. Bye. Trying to think how I could get it up there faster. Oh, I can get it up there. I just don't want to suffer doing it. Oh boy. This thing's heavy, I can tell. Darn it. You know what it is? It's because you have a slant.
Oh.
I've never lifted it this high. I think I should get in the street and just do it in the street.
Should we do it in the street?
Yeah, I think so. Let me try it one time. If it's just too much, I'm going to give up. Yeah. I don't want to kill myself. I'll do it in the street. I want to get it on the curb and then flip it on the truck, right? Oh yeah, much better. Oh yeah, I get it. That went a lot lower. Yeah, can you see the difference?
Yeah.
Okay. You got Venmo, Cash App, Zelle? Venmo, Cash App, or Zelle? Okay. Woo! All right, so let me tell you what I did here, guys. All right, so I had the fridge sitting up over there, and she has a slope. You can kind of tell how it is, kind of slopey little area. So it's an incline. Of course, when my truck is sitting like this, the back end is higher than the fridge. But then I decided to move the truck up front, run all over her grass right here. I mowed it for you, ma'am.
Thank you.
And then from here, it was like sitting up here. So it was pretty cool. It's like half of the fridge was almost in the trailer. And then I lifted it. Of course, it's kind of heavy. Stainless steel, double doors, always heavy. All right, so we'll go to the next shop. See you soon.